Alright, I'm going to do a little video recap. Busted a few things over the past several weeks. Haven't done videos lately, but I'm going to do a quick recap on some of the stuff. I picked up a few boxes of the OBAC 2009 baseball, and nothing major. Insert cards. Got an autograph of Danielson. Got a mini card numbered to 50. Beckham. Scoring autograph. Al Rosen autograph. What else I got here? I got a Brad Holt autograph. And a Dale Murphy autograph. Short print cards. Ted Williams. Beckham. Schmaltz. Hansen. And Nolan Ryan Mini. Another Nolan Ryan Mini. These are all the different backs. So they're the short print ones. Another Ryan Mini, so I got all the variations. A numbered to 50 Mini of Nolan Ryan. Another numbered to 50 Mini of Will Holt. And what else I got here? Short print 10 million card. Short print number 2. What we got there? 25. Jim Rice. Short print number to 50. Cartwright. Short print number to 50. Powell. Short print number to 25 again. Fowler. Buster Posey. Short print number to 25 of Tommy Hansen. A mini Buster Posey. A couple of mini Tom Seavers from IPC. And then watch Techno Bailey's video on Cal Ripken Jr. book, that autographed one that he got, and watched it like a week and a half later. I figured what the heck, give it a shot. Probably going to miss out on it, but I went on BarnesandNoble.com and I saw the book online, and there was one book for $16.99, and then there was another line that said the name of the book and in parentheses autographed edition. And for some reason that price was scratched out and it said $12 and free shipping. So I said, what the heck, it can't hurt. I'll get it, and if it's not autographed, I'll just return it to the store. So got my box 3 days later, free shipping, and for $12 got the Cal Ripken Hothead book, and inside the front cover is an autograph. And it's real, it's a Sharpie. So that was a great deal for 12 bucks, especially when I got 4 of them. So we got four Ripken autographs. So that was a good find. Thanks to Techno Bailey. And then if anyone is interested, I have this card up for sale. 2008, 2009 exquisite Russell Westbrook. It's what is it, 3 color, several breaks. It's a sweet card. So PM me if you're interested in that. And I'm going to do a quick break of some a little retro break. Picked up a box of 1997 Upper Deck UD3 Premier Edition at my local card shop that I go to all the time. Can't beat it. Said what the heck, this was fun to break back in the day. So I'm going to break up these two. I opened up the wrapper already because he wanted to see. We were trying to remember what kind of packaging these came in. If they were regular foil packs or like boxed, and they are. They're boxed. So they're boxed with the little tape there. Peel it up and get 3 cards in it. And we're hoping to get some decent inserts and possibly an autograph. So got my cat roaming around in the background. And I got my son here, Joe. He's going to help me bust some of these packs. Look, there we go. Let's get going. There goes that box. Woohoo! Failure. All right. So let's see what we get. Joe, you open some and then I'll just take the cards. I'll take the cards and I'll show them the camera if they're worth anything.
There's a pack inside the box.
All right. So we get 3 cards in here. 3 different technologies. Let's see what we got. All right. Boom. All right, we got Todd Green. That's that kind of like see-through technology. Acetate type of card. Roberto Alomar on a Dufex type of technology. And Juan Gonzalez. So no one huge. The second pack, we got a Guerrero, Bernie Williams, which is nice, and a Matt Williams. That was a Williams pack. Alright, see what we got in this one here. We got a Jason Kendall, Roger Clemens, and Ken Caminetti. Put the empties out there so you know which ones are empty. I think the inserts are in like 1 in every 11 packs, so we might get a couple of inserts. We have Todd Hollandsworth, Kenny Lofton, and Barry Bonds. Alright, I'll do a little recap on those that you're opening down there. Just scream and yell if you get a signature or something. We got Jermaine Dye, Hideo Nomo, and Eddie Murray. Come on.
You want to take one by one?
Yep, in 1 second I will.
I don't have no leg room.
So one what?
I don't have no leg room to put all your boxes in.
No leg room. Alright, what do we got here? We got Alex Rodriguez on that technology. Tin Salmon. And a Frank Thomas.
There's Derek Jeter on sucky technology. There's no holograph.
Derek Jeter on sucky technology.
There is no in.
There it is. If you put it up to the light. See, there
Well,
it
you
is.
can see the camera, but it's a bad card.
Future Impact.
Yeah.
Alright, and then that was John Schmaltz too. And Randy Johnson. Let's see what you got here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, his packs were Renteria, Tony Gwynn. Oh, here's an insert. Next Generation, Luis Castillo. GN3. So that's an insert card. Little
Materials coming up on this one.
thing on the corner there. Cool. You got Andy Pettit, Ozzie Smith, Vinny Castilla, Darren S. Strand, Barry Larkin, and Jay Buhner. Alright, we got Nomar Garciaparra, Tim Salmon again, Vinny Castilla, Todd Walker, Ozzie Smith, and Todd Hundley. Yep, we got another insert. We got a Nomar. We got a Ron Gant. I used to love Ron Gant. He was a beast. And then we got Vladimir Guerrero, next generation insert. Manny Ramirez, Greg Maddux, and Albert Bell. We got Hollinsworth, Jeff Bagwell, and Ken Caminetti. Alright. Rocky Copinger, whatever the hell happened to him? Ivan Rodriguez and Mark McGuire. Castillo, Ripken Jr. and Mike Piazza. Todd Walker, Roger Clemens, and Sammy Sosa. Andrew Jones. And these things have like a peely cover on them, so you can peel them off and they look a lot clearer than what they look like there. Jim Thome and Mo Vaughn. Alright, like this one. This one has it already peeled off and it's a lot clearer. Ruben Rivera, Paul Molitor, and there we go. I was just going to say, we haven't seen any Ken Griffey Jr.'s. Yeah, Ken Griffey Jr. See if we can get him in any of the other technology. Got a Yankee here, you got a Andy Pettitte, Jeff Bagwell, Gary Sheffield, Jason Kendall, we got Robin Ventura, and Rafael Palmeiro. Alex Rodriguez, Raul Mondesi, and Andres Galarraga. We have A-Rod, now you can really see through it. You can't see it. There's the picture. There we go, my boy Kirby Puckett. And Ellis Burks. Is that it?
Yep.
That's everything. Alright, 2 little inserts out of that box. It was fun to rip open. Knew I wasn't going to get anything special, but there's always that chance. Alright, I'm going to try to make some more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.